Hey credit cousins, in today's video I'll be going over how I pay off my credit card each month and the strategy I use to keep up with my bills. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm Designer Soapbox and we talk about how to build credit, get high limit credit cards, how to make money online, and so much more. If you find this channel of any value, please subscribe and leave a like and comment down below, hey credit cousins. I'll make sure to say hey back to all my credit cousins. So I have about 10 personal credit cards, but I primarily use 2 to 3 credit cards each month and periodically use the others for miscellaneous things to avoid any credit card closures. The credit cards I use usually have the highest limits and they are all cash rewards. I spend the most on my cash rewards cards from Navy Federal, Chase, and Bank of America, so I will be able to accumulate cash while spending. I do use my credit cards strategically. I also have a charge card, but I only use that for extreme emergencies because it is a charge card and you cannot leave a balance on it each month. Even though I do not leave a balance on any of my credit cards, it's still something I don't want to use for every day. Plus, a lot of merchants never accept American Express cards. So, for example, I currently pay my entire credit cards each month. I have half of my credit cards due date in the middle of the month and half of my other credit cards due date set to the first of the month. This is what works for me when paying my bills, and I know which card I can use more around the first of the month without interrupting my credit card balance and credit reporting. This helps me stay organized with which credit card can be used on certain days, because when using my credit cards each day, I may pay off my credit card on the 1st at 5 p.m. for instance, but then spend more around 9 p.m. for dinner or so. And when statement date comes around, it will report that last purchase around 9 p.m. and sometimes it takes 2 to 3 days to process that purchase on my credit card. Now that is the credit card balance that is reported, which can cause my score to go down depending on how much that balance was. And my utilization could be impacted that month. So it's very important to strategically have your due dates on your credit cards on the days you can pay your bills and have an extra credit card with a different due date in case of emergencies or if you need to use it for other things. Also, to avoid any late payments on my credit cards, I have AutoPay, which this is very crucial for me because you could definitely get caught up in life and forget about a payment on the credit card you made. And when it's time to pay your credit card, you forget to do so. And so now a late payment has occurred and interest has accumulated on your credit card. So I always have AutoPay on my credit cards. Some have the minimum balance set, and this helps me remind myself because it comes from my checking account and it alerts me. So now I'm reminded that the minimum balance was automatically taken from my checking account, and then usually I would instantly pay the entire remaining balance right after I'm alerted. So credit cousins, I hope this gave you a better insight on how I pay my credit cards bills, and if you have any tips and tricks for me or for any other credit cousins that are watching, drop them down below in the comment section. Make sure you leave a like on this video, and that will tell me that you are picking up what I'm putting down. This channel is all about learning from each other, and I look forward to your feedback. And don't forget guys, I love you all. Bye. Hey credit cousins, if you are looking to remove those negative, nasty things off your credit report, you are in luck today. I have tons of resources for you to increase your credit score in deleting negative hard inquiries within 24 hours, late payments, charge-offs, and collections, building business credit like a boss, and so much more. Many of my credit cousins have used our resources and received amazing results. And now it's your turn. Right now, I'm offering 50% off everything online. Make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comments below to get your discount now.